We are a family of 4 who love to travel. We're always looking for ways to maximize our vacations. We consider budget, time, and safety before making a decision. As such, we would love to share our experiences with you. The hope is to provide you with a series of videos geared towards travel as a family or as a group. So hang out here to either virtually travel with us or to get ready to travel yourselves. This episode hopes to answer the question, what can a family of 4 do in Puerto Vallarta during this time? So sit back, relax, and watch how we made it work. Ask your family, what will make this an ideal vacation? Adding each one's version of an ideal vacation to the family agenda will make the vacation even more unforgettable. For the boys, it was octopus and a pool table. Why not? You're on vacay. A book, a drink, a soaking pool equals the ideal vacation for Dad. I found my happy place at the lazy river. Eventually, even the boys could not get enough of it. The swimming pools, the tide pools, the cabanas, and the beach were all pluses for our family. We also spent some afternoons enjoying what the town had to offer. Booking a massage at the day spa took us to the Marina Vallarta. It's best to come here in the early evenings when it's cooler. Shopping is not an ideal vacation activity for the boys, but we did spend one afternoon checking out the Isla shopping village. The colorful souvenirs at the flea market were just too tempting to miss. This is heaven for bargain hunters. Each member of the family listed the top 3 things that made this vacation memorable. Sunset at the beach won first place. So the question is, what can a family of 4 do in Puerto Vallarta during this time? And the answer is, that depends on what will make an ideal vacation for each member of the family. Plan the agenda together, include everyone's input, and more importantly, have fun. Thank you for hanging out with us in this video. We hope you can join us again next week when we cover tips when traveling to Puerto Vallarta. Until then, stay safe, everyone.